Are you struggling online and wondering why you're not successful like all the gurus out there that are having so many views on YouTube and that are posting that they're doing $1,000 every day? Well, I may have a solution for you. And I may have an idea why you're not successful, and I can help you on the way. So let's dive into action right now. So let's dive into that subject straight away. But before, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel by clicking right here. And please give me some likes, give me some comments. I always reply to all my comments. So if you're wondering why you're not successful and you're trying everything and you're just working it out and you're taking massive actions every single day and you're still having no results, well, first I would tell you you need to be patient. To be online and be successful doesn't come overnight. Whatever people are saying out there, like overnight success, and I made $2,000 promoting that offer for just 3 hours, or whatever things, it's because these people are probably out there for a really long time and they have a lot of leads in their list, and they have a lot of people to promote new offers to. So you really need to be patient. And I remember when I was getting started, we were a couple of people getting started at the same time, and we were all like, oh yeah, fine, I'm gonna promote that offer, but I only have 5 leads, so it's probably not gonna work. But you have to be patient and you have to just take the proper actions in order to be successful. And one of the things I made at the beginning is I was the girl saying like, I'm not gonna need super expensive training, and it's not true that I'm gonna pay for any kind of training out there, and probably they're gonna try to rob my money and fly away with it. So I was a little bit anxious about taking a great training, and I was just the person trying to take everything that was free from everyone. So you may be in that situation and trying to keep your money and trying to make your way out there in order to have a lot of free stuff and just saying like, I'm gonna make it by myself. But if you want to be successful online, you need to take a training in order to not do all the mistakes that the people have done before you, because there's so many people out there that are already doing what you want to do and be successful online. It's maybe either building a blog or becoming an affiliate marketer or just giving your course out there or just starting a digital agency. But you need to take a proper training, and I can tell you, I promise you 100%, because I've been there and I hesitated so much before taking a training. I was just like, no, I'm not going to pay for that, it's too much and it's a big decision. And finally I took a training that was not that expensive and I could just lead me through every single step I needed to take in order to be successful. And it's the Intro Institute training, and I wanted to become an affiliate marketer, and they have this affiliate millionaire accelerator that I joined, and it's just a game changer, guys. And instead of looking around for free YouTube videos and free trainings and losing many hours, you know what I'm doing right now? I'm following the exact steps that a guy named Jesse Sink, who's my mentor right now, he's been through all the mistakes he could have done, and now he's teaching us what not to do, and especially what to do in order to be successful. So instead of losing many hours watching free videos and trying to pick all the pieces and put it all together, I watch really short videos from 5 to 10 minutes, and I can implement straight away and see results straight away. And when I say straight away, I don't mean like I'm, like when I implement things, I'm doing $2,000 in just 5 minutes. It's just that I see results and I see things going further, and I see my business going more in depth into things that are more important in order to make it successful. So if you want to have the proper training and stop losing your time and stop wondering why it's not working and why you're doing all these efforts and it's not working online, well, click below. You have the proper training that you need. And I'm not telling you bullshit, guys. I'm telling you that because I've been through that training, and I'm now part of a community on Facebook that is so helpful and so supportive, and we all have different questions and we all ask our questions in the group, and it's helping everyone in their journey. So stop looking around for free stuff. Stop being frustrated about the fact that it's not working and that you're not making sales, you have to give it some time, and you have to be patient, and you have to do some actions every single day. So take care, guys. It's gonna work. Just take that training and you're gonna be happy, you're gonna smile like that, and it's gonna be nice. Okay, it's gonna be fine, and you're gonna have a nice journey online. Okay, so click on the link below, it's just right there for you. So have a really good nice day, and see you in the next video. Okay, ciao.